You know that sluggish feeling after a big meal, when all you want to do is curl up and take a nap. It's like your body is weighed down, and no matter how much you want to get moving, you just can't seem to shake it off. But what if I told you there's a simple way to wake up without that heavy, bloated sensation? It's all about incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine. By mixing together some gelatin, lemon juice, and warm water, you can create a powerful tonic that helps your body digest food more efficiently. My friend swears by the gelatin trick, and she's noticed a huge difference in how she feels after meals. She's more energized, her skin is clearer, and she's even seen some weight come off. The gelatin trick is all about using basic ingredients from your kitchen to create a healthy habit that sticks. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below for a detailed recipe. And if you have any questions, hop over to the pinned comment where I'll be sharing some of my favorite tips for making the gelatin trick a part of your daily ritual.